How to turn off ear speaker on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down and locate Balance. You can now drag the slider to adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels. If you want to balance the volume button towards the right channels, then drag the slider to the right. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily turn off ear speaker on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.